Yo, today is the second day. Trying to be consistent, consecutive. Day 2 in a row. Unity Park, Northville, Michigan. It's January 8th, noon. I totally destroyed the bearings on my old board yesterday in the rain, but that one's not terrible. But they're all fucked. I have my new board. It's kind of wet still. We'll see if I just do flat ground on the shitty board or try to roll around on my new board. We'll see. So I'll give a little shitty board bearing tour. We'll see if this even slides first. Oh yeah, we golden. All right, let's see. So, this is Northville, Michigan. It's called Unity Park. A memorial for an unfortunate soul, Dominic Dune. It's a sweet park though. It's a fucking sweet park. Quarter pipe, half a bowl over there, a full bowl right there. More quarter pipes. There's a flat bar, a round bar. There's a hubba. There's a bunch of stuff. It's pretty sweet. There's this freaking monster. I don't know what they would call this thing. It's like a drop-in from hell. Put this thing on the back. Pretty sweet though. Oh, and yeah, and then the roly-polies. Roly-poly-olies. As you can see too, there's some puddles over here. It was all basically fucking centimeters of water yesterday, so I just committed because I needed to get out here. It's been snowing and raining for the past month in Michigan, so I've only just begun. January 7th yesterday. Today's the 8th again. So we'll see what's going on. It's still kind of a puddle over here where it's more shaded and lower, but I think I'll be able to get my new shoes and my new board out in a second. I'm gonna warm up first. Ollie check. New old board, so no pop, but we'll see what's going on. We'll see what's going on. Okay. We got a lot to work on. Right. Also, immediately realize this is like having a pit of lava at a kid's beach access point. Just stoppy rocks in the middle of the park, followed by large rocks and medium rocks in the loop-de-loops. So that's cool. Hasn't been a real issue. You can just sweep them right back in there, but I don't have a broom. Shoes. Kind of too small, but I actually like it. They feel like rock climbing shoes. Snug as a rug. It's a bug. Toe's not touching the total tip though, so Dorks mom-in-law. First time connecting new boots with new board. Hopefully I don't get them all soaked. Should be fine. So far, I haven't run into anybody here, but today's a nice day. I wouldn't be surprised if somebody showed up. Got that drag on us. Sponsor me, Fanta. Fanta. What's up, man? Hey, howdy.